maaso tufune mirembe.
Buri mwaka habera 2006 by'okwezi kw'okubanza ihanga Uganda niryijwiza obu bw'amahega NRA gakwata gavumenti kandi emikoro y'omurundi gwa 40 omwaka ogu yakorwa omu kishaayi kya Kororo Independence Grounds. President Museveni niwe yabari omugenyi mukuru kandi ogu yabanza no kurambura enyiriri z'abasirikare aba badumirwe kano Samusubwa arukwerwaho Major Miriam Akelo Opio. Omukoro oguhona gwahikoho n'abandi bantu b'ebitinisa omuri abajwecerwa b'amahanga ishabaramuza omusya Justice Flavian Nzija ababireho abahwezi ba mukuru w'ihanga hamwe n'aba Prime Minister ba Minister hamwe n'abandi bingi. Omukwaye obutumwa bwe President Museveni yagamba ko amaani mingi babandize kugataha kugaruza busya by'obugiga okuhangusya hamwe n'okwongera omutindaha by'amaguzi kandi hati borekerire bya tekinologiya.
In 40 years
mubadde muwulira abantu abamu abaga nti NRM terina kyekoze era waliwo olupapula olwa monitor olwaleero omutwe gwabwe omukulu gubadde gugamba nti tewali kituukiddwako tewaliwo kyanjawulo mu myaka 4.
Now I will show you here. You know, I am a film shower. I use films now. I don't talk so much.
Muzee agenda kutulaga maaso ku lutimbe ennaku zino akozesa filimu okulaga bwino nga bwali.
Now the economy of Uganda has recovered and gone through 5 phases.
Ebyenfuna bya Uganda bikyuse kinene nnyo era biyise mitendera 5.
First of all, minimum economic recovery.
Okusookera ddala waliwo entandikwa
okudda engulu
ebyenfuna bya Uganda okudda engulu
kubanga ebyenfuna bya Uganda byali bizirise kati NRM nebizza engulu.
Ebyenfuna nga bwe muwulidde nti byali bizirise NRM yatandika na kubizza ngulu.
Then expansion of the small colonial economy which we had after it had recovered.
Ekyaddako kwe kugaziya ebyenfuna nga bwe byali abafuzi b'amatwale nga bwe babireka nga bitono ddala ng'ebyenfuna wafunda naye NRM n'ebigaziya.
Naye n'ako katono Amin yali akasanyizaawo
nti n'ebyo ebitono ddala abafuzi b'abatwale bye balekawo Amin yali abisanyizaawo.
So we brought back that small economy and expanded it.
Ogu yagamba naha kwongera amaani omu by'obuhingi eby'omutindo amakoro obuheereza hamwe n'ebyakarimagezi kandi hona yaraganisa ko amajuta nigaza kutandika kutambura omwaka ogu.
Kale all that is commercial agriculture, fisheries. Show us fisheries. You don't have fisheries.
Ebyo byonna bye mulaba bye byenfuna okulima okw'ebyensimbi.
Now the economy is moving very fast.
Ebyenfuna biri ku speed ya yiri.
We are growing at 7% now.
Bikula ku bitundu 7 ku kikumi wetwogerera wano.
With the oil we are going to go into double digits.
Bwe tunaafuna amafuta bwe ganaatandika ate awo tujja kuba tugenze mu nnyukuta 2 oba nga tusoba mu 10.
But there are still groups of our population who are outside the money economy.
Naye era waliwo bannayuganda abakyali ebweru w'ebyenfuna eby'essente.
These are the ones who are in poverty.
Bano be bakyali mu bwavu.
From the colonial times,
okuva mu bufuzi bw'amatwale,
we had a small group of our people in the money economy.
twalina abantu batono nnyo abali mu byenfuna ebyokukola sente.
At independence, the figure they gave me were 9% in the money economy.
We twafunira obwetwaze baali ebitundu 9 ku 10.
Now when we came after stabilizing the country,
NRM bwe yajja nga bwe twamala okuleeta obutebenkevu mu ggwanga,
and when we checked, we found that still a small number of the people were in the money economy. The majority were outside the money economy.
Oguhona yarabura bubona abarkwenda kuzanura program ya parish development model.
But recently, when I was campaigning, some of the people have used the PDM well.
Musaiwa abadde mu campaign akizudde ng'abantu abamu bakozesa PDM bulungi ddala.
But there are other areas where there is still a problem.
Naye wakyaliwo ebitundu ebimu nga wakyalimuko obumulumulu.
The PDM money in some areas has been grabbed by 3 people.
Mu bitundu ebimu abantu ba mirundi 3 abezizza sente za PDM.
There is somebody they call focal person.
Nti waliwo oyo omuntu ayitibwa entabiro ya PDM.
Then the Muluka chief.
Ne wabaawo ow'omuluka.
And then they appoint a puppet chairman.
Ate ne wabaawo ne chairman abalondeddwa.
So it must be, we are going to amend those rules of the PDM.
N'olwekyo amateeka ago agafuga PDM gagenda kukolebwamu ennongosereza.
Ebyobwegese, ebyamagara, enguuto ez'omu byaro, eby'obugiiga ebiraleetaho emirimo, eby'oburinganizo mu bantu, eby'obutare omu Uganda hamwe n'amahanga gatwehinguririze nabyo yabigambaho. Oguhona yakabukira b'orubaju oruhakana abarikukoresa ebigambo ebirikuhemba omurro mu bantu hamwe n'abandi bebembezi abarikweyendeza kandi yaraganisa kugumizamu n'okurwanisa obushomanguzi hamwe n'oburu bw'enguzi.
People misbehaving and nobody does anything about them.
Abantu nga bamenya amateeka ne watabaawo kikolebwa.
Some people have been attacked.
Abantu abamu balumbiddwa.
Why should you attack anybody because of the elections?
Nga lwaki olumba omuntu omwaŋŋanga olw'okulonda?
What right do you have to even use harsh words?
Ye obuyinza obujjawa okukozesa ebigambo ebikambwe.
Yemwe abatusubyeko akasajja. You have no right to say that.
Tolina buyinza na ddembe kugamba nti mwe mutusibyeko akasajja. Tolina lukusa olwo. Ani awulidde enjogera eyo yemwe abatusubyeko akasajja. Why would the police hear this and keep quiet? Police eyinza okuwulira kino n'esirika.
Bwanyuma President Museveni yahaabo boona bakozire ebirikusiimwa emidaari kandi emwe aha midaari eyagabwa harimu ogwa Distinguished Order of the Crested Crane ogwahabwa omuramuzi owahuumwire Justice Lalif Ochan hamwe na Mr. Balot Hassad owatandikireho okwombeka okw'omurembe kandi omudaari ogwa National Independence Diamond Jubilee omu bagutunga barikumanya munonga n'omwami Rwamunono Nathan owahwerire President Museveni okumuheeka aha gaari okumwiha omu bicweka bya Ngoma akamutwara Tanzania. Aha bwa TV West ndi Era Akiza.